Given that x follows a normal distribution with a mean of 10 and a standard deviation of 3, we're given that the probability of x is less than a is 0.4, and the probability that x is between a and b is 0.3. We want to find the values of a and b. A quick sketch might help us clarify to ourselves what we're trying to do. So we know it's symmetrical, so if this is the mean here of 10, then we know that there's 0.5 either side. So the value of a must be here, such that the area here is 0.4. And then our value of b would be here, so that the green shaded area here is 0.3. Now what we're going to do, since we know the probability and want to find out the value on the axis, is we're going to use something called the inverse normal. And you'll have one of these on whatever calculator you have. And once we're into the app for that, it should look very familiar. So they all tend to look pretty similar once you're in here. Now mine has the facility to do the tail setting, whether it's to the left or the right. And if you look at the purple shaded area that I've got here, it's on the left. So I'm going to leave that as left. I'm going to put in 0.4. My sigma this time is 3. And my mu is 10. And then I get 9.24. So A is equal to 9.24. Now I can do the same sort of thing to find b, because of course the probability that x is less than b is 0.7. The 0.3 add the 0.4. So I'm going to go back to the same app. It's still left. Probability now is 0.7. Sigma was 3, and the mean was 10. And that gives me 11.57.